Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for physics exam in one night, only way. Start by listing core formulas, then rank topics by exam weight, and allocate time blocks for focused practice. Use problem sets to test recall and correct misconceptions immediately. Keep solutions concise and highlight patterns across problems. Rest briefly between sessions to keep focus sharp and avoid late-night fatigue while maximizing retention. Warm up with quick conceptual checks, then dive into solved problems allowed to build fluency and confidence. Choose problems that mirror exam style and force you to apply formulas, not just memorize them. After each problem, summarize the key idea in one sentence and note any recurring tricks. Keep a running list of pitfalls and shortcuts so you can review them in the final hour before the exam for quick recall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful study guides. Quick recommendation: I wear darn tough socks while cramming because comfortable feet keep me focused. They have a lifetime warranty and are worth the investment. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In the last hour, condense everything onto a single sheet with formulas, setups, and quick reminders. Do short timed drills to simulate exam pressure and practice retrieval rather than rereading notes. Focus on weaknesses found earlier, but avoid learning new topics now. Breathe steadily, stand up between drills to reset, and trust the patterns you practiced. This tight review boosts confidence and turns scattered knowledge into usable exam skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.